Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Today I share with you how to make the best cake ever. If you know how to eat cake, you don't know how to make cake. Today you go know how you go take they make your cake at home for you and your family to enjoy. First of all, I will be greasing the pan that I'm going to use to get the cake done. On this bowl, I'm going to be cracking 4 raw eggs. All you got to do is to share this video. This is step-by-step tutorial. You are going to learn every bit of this video and you are going to love it. So all you have to do is to try to share. So now I have the egg. I'm going to be adding sugar. So here I have half cup of sugar. So next I will do is to whisk these 2 ingredients together. What I do now is to add in the mixture inside this blending cup. I'm going to use this blender to process the egg and the sugar. So all I do now is to go and get that blend for just 1 minute, and after doing that I will be having something like this. So at this point it's ready for me to use. It looks so amazing. You can see that. So this is what I have after blending it. You can see the sugar have dissolved at this point. Now I will be adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So this is all-purpose flour. I make use of 1 cup. So I add in corn flour, then add in baking powder. So then I will add in a little bit of salt to taste, then whisk everything together. So I just have to stream that in case we have any other small dirty like this. Get that out and then whisk everything together. Whisk it until it's smooth and nice like this, as you can see. So this is what I have. After whisking it, I will just keep that aside. On this pan I will be adding 1 cup of milk and 5 grams of butter, and then whisk that together until the butter dissolve. So just like this, the butter has dissolved with the milk. Then I will turn it over inside the mixture. Then all I do now is to whisk everything together. Just whisk it until it form a beautiful puree like this, as you can see. So now it's ready. All I got to do is to turn that inside the baking pan. Remember, we first of all grease our baking pan with butter. So now I just turn the mixture inside the pan, and at this point it's ready to go and do its work. Yeah. So I'll just add all the one that is on top of the bowl. Make sure everything enter the pan because you don't want to waste it. So this is going to oven and it's going to bake at least 1 hour before it's ready. Look at that, doing so good in the oven. You can see that looks so beautiful. My people, this cake enter. So I just open it. Now it's ready. All I have to do is to check and well make an order. It's not ready to chop. My people, this cake they call you, say come and take a taste. Nah. So now all I do now is to take my skewer to check if it's okay. When I check, I see that the water has dried, the cake has cooked. All I do is to bring it down, as you can see. So now I'm going to let this to cool down. After cooling, that's what I have. I'm going to turn it over like this. Oh my people, look at that. Just to look at that. The cake is ready for you to come and take a taste now. Come and take a taste. I like when you come and take a taste, guys. So I have to get this cut. First of all, I have to clean my knife. So use any available knife that you know is sharp. Okay, that you just cut it easily like this. So now I'm just going to cut it for us to enjoy. See, my baby girl is already there, guys. You can see her hand. So she wants to eat. So this one not they go far. Everybody want chop up. So you can see that. So I just get that cut for us to eat, and that is just it. This is just the best way you can always make your cake at home, both for party, both for eat, and both for sale. This cake is ready to serve. You just see how this thing they bounce now. Look at that. Look good there. Look good there, your cake, my people. I accolade to Lady B. As the one I appreciate this lady now. Make una support me with star. Make una share my video. I need una support. I love you guys. Please share for more videos. See you in my next one. Bye bye.